Okay. Let's go back.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, honey, it's can't. Can't. What can't you do? What can't you do? Cannot. Cannot. It should be cannot. Can't. What can't you do?
Letter D.
Letter D? You, it's you. You. It should be I, not she. It's I. D? This one?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Yay, we are already done with this part. Now let's have spelling. Let's have spelling. You ready?
Yes.
Where's your paper and
Yes.
your paper and your pen, your ball pen? Okay.
One for me.
Okay, okay.
I will.
Okay. Body, actions. Okay. Okay. Body, my body. No. My body. Where's my body here? Okay, wait for a while. Okay, actions. Actions. Okay, you ready now? Okay.
Cái gì á?
Okay. Wait for a while. Okay, now. Let's have, okay, number one.
Làm này được.
Okay, hold, wait on. Wait for a while. Okay, the first one will, oh, wait for a while. I will write your name first. Duk. Vivian.
Vivian. Answer. Good.
Is it?
Oh. Look, I had a pen.
No, you're right in your paper, okay? Not there. You're right in your paper, not there.
Teacher.
Yes.
I put the I myself.
Okay. All right. The first one that you should spell is the word. Oh, where is it? Wait for a while.
Why, teacher? Not.
Yes,
It's
yes,
not.
yes.
Not. It's not. It is not.
No. You don't write there. This is teacher's board. You don't write there. Write in your paper, not in teacher's board. Hold on. Duke, are you still there?
Yes.
Hold on, wait for a while.
I want to start myself.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. The first one. Okay, spell walk. You ready? Are you ready?
No.
You ready? Okay. Spell the word walk. Walk.
Anh không làm gì?
Spell the word walk.
What?
Walk. You have to spell. Oh, what's that?
Mẹ đi thôi. Tao đừng có bảo mẹ.
Tell me if you're done. You have to write in your paper.
Me.
Where? Where are you now?
Me.
Okay, let's have Vivian. Let me see your screen, Vivian. I can't see you. Wait, I will check my internet, okay? I can't see. Okay, Vivian, again. Again. Can you see it again? Okay, very good. That is it. It is walk. Very good. Vivian got the right
Vivian.
one.
Right. I got the star to the Vivian. I have one.
I don't like the star. I will give you candy.
Yeah,
I will
want
give you
it.
Yes. Okay.
Teacher,
Hmm.
can they put the ball in my name?
Huh?
I win the ball in my name.
Honey, don't touch it. Teacher only touches it, okay? You're right now. Okay, next one. Next word.
Teacher,
Ah,
I win the ball in my name.
what? Honey, I don't understand.
I win
Ah,
the put the ball the same near my name. I win.
okay. Yeah, if you win. If you win. Okay? If you win. All right, next one. Next word will be stomp. Stomp. You see? Who? Okay. Duke, let me see yours. Stomp. Very good. You got another. Okay, Duke got candy. Huh? Okay.
I want to sip.
Huh?
Đức one. Sip. Đức one sip. Bowl.
You want what?
Bowl.
Ball?
One bowl.
A ball? Okay. I will give you a ball. Okay, okay, okay.
A bowl.
Yeah. This one? Okay, teacher's going to give you the ball. A ball like this?
A boat. Boat.
Ball?
Sip. Boat. Sips. A boat. A sip.
Can you write
A
it?
sip.
Right, a ship. A ship. Ship.
Yes.
Ah. Okay. Then I will give you. Where is it? Okay, I will give you a ship. Where is the ship? The perfect ship here. Okay. This one?
Đúng rồi. Yes.
Okay. So you like, okay, now, next word. I want you to have the next word. The next word is hop. Hop. Write the sentence. Write the sentence. The man can hop. The man can hop. Okay, you read it. The man can hop. The man can hop.
The man. We.
The man can hop.
Or
Who? Are you done, Duke?
not me. No.
Okay.
Me.
Okay, let's have Vivian. Let me see yours, Vivian. The man can. Yay! Very good. What do you want, Vivian? What do you want? Do you want a candy?
No.
What do you want? Hmm? Ice cream?
Gift.
A gift.
Want no, I want cream.
Ice cream. Okay. Teacher is going to give you an ice cream. Let me give you an ice cream. Okay. Here's your ice cream.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, next one. I want you to write the sentence, I can dance. I can dance. Please write that one. I can dance.
Can't. Or can.
You done?
Can. Teacher. Can't. Or can.
Huh?
Can't or can't.
Can.
Me. Dance.
Mm. Okay. Duck. I can dance. Very good. What do you want, Duck?
Why I love máy bay giá. Không, tôi thích cái này.
What would you like to have?
Why teacher?
Okay.
Không. School. I want this teacher.
Okay.
Why?
What would you like to have? What is that?
This.
What is that?
Truck.
A truck?
Truck.
I don't know that. A
The
truck.
truck like killed the car. Broken.
Hold on. That can tow. I don't know that one, honey. That can
Why?
tow.
The one
name.
this.
What? This one. This. Look, this.
This.
Okay. Next, you write the sentence. Duck can. Hold on. Duck.
What?
No. Duck can waddle. Okay, you write that one. Duck can waddle.
Waddle.
Waddle. Waddle.
The can.
Yes, waddle. It's waddle, okay? Duck can waddle.
Đưa em. Đưa em anh đi. Can.
Okay.
Teacher.
Are you done?
Me.
Okay, let's have
Yes,
Vivian.
I'm done.
I want to see Vivian's answer. Let me see. Duck can. Oh, is it double D? Can you write? Okay. Okay, very good, honey. That is it. What do you want, Vivian? What do you want to have? What do you want to receive? Huh?
One.
You want? You want what?
I want a strawberry juice.
Okay. A strawberry juice. Okay, let's see. Strawberry juice.
Wait.
Strawberry juice. Okay. I will give here strawberry juice. Vivian, look. Okay. Okay, how about this? Write the sentence. Vivian can jump. Vivian can jump.
Hello and welcome back to the Wheel Break today.
Vivian can, what did I say? Vivian can jump. 3, 2.
Me.
Okay, look. Let me see. That is not how you spell Vivian. You spell Vivian this way. But you got the right answer, Duke. Okay, what would you like to have, Duke? What do you want?
I like this.
What's that? What is that? It's so hard to search that one. Where we can store rocks, I think. Oh, no. Sand. What is that one? A mixer. Mixer truck. Duck. It's so hard to, it's really hard to find the things that you want. This one, Duck. Okay, next one. I want you to write this sentence. Teacher Shane can, hold on. Teacher Shane can hop. Okay. Teacher Shane can hop. Hop. Teacher Shane can hop. Teacher Shane can
hopping.
hop.
Teacher, I'm done.
Okay. Let me see yours. Okay, Vivian. Okay, let me see. Teachers can. Very good. What would you like to have, Vivian? What would you like to have? What?
I want a hat.
A hat?
Hi.
Heart.
Yeah.
A heart.
Want this.
A heart.
Hat.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
No.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. right, next one. I want you to write. Okay, this one. Mommy can walk. Mommy can walk. Mommy can walk. Go, go, go.
Mommy. Mommy. Đây này, anh Đức, đây này. Để cho nó coi đúng không? Quay gì chờ?
Okay. Mommy can walk.
Quay gì chờ?
Okay.
Mommy, mommy.
Mommy can walk.
Đèn. Chữ ấy đâu phải chữ W đâu. Walk mà. Học. Walk ơi học.
Walk. Walking. Walking, walking, walking. Mommy can walk. Very good. That is it. Who answered that? Doc. Okay, it's Doc. Okay. Now, what do you want, Doc?
One dump truck.
A dump truck. Okay. Okay.
A dump.
Let me give you a dump truck. Oh my goodness, Doc. What are the things that you want? These are all weird. Okay, next one. Oh, I think we're done now. Let's have the next material. Yeah? Should we have the next material now? So the winner is
Then.
Oh, you both got 4 gifts. So you both won. No one will sweep the floor now. Okay. So that is it, Tony. Teacher's now going to share the other screen. And I believe we just have 6 minutes left, but it's okay. Okay. Now, honey, we're done already with the lesson 14.2. Now we're going to have the lesson 14.3. Okay? Honey? Yeah. Now, let's have this one. What do you think is the man doing? What's this? Huh?
The man is skate. The man is
Skate.
Skate.
The man is skate.
Very good. We have the word is. The man is skate. We have the word is. So we have to add ing to the verb.
Man is
Skating.
skating.
Very good. Can you read this one, Vivian?
Whoa.
Vivian, can you read this one, please? The man is.
The man is skating.
Very good. The man is skating. That is it, honey. That's correct. Okay, you have to say the word skate for 3 times. Skate, skate, skate.
Skate, skate, skate.
Very good. Where's Doug? Okay, next one.
No.
What is that? Doc, is that skating? Is that a skate, Doc?
Yeah.
Do you know how to skate? Do you know how to skate, Vivian? Really?
Yes.
Is it easy to
Yes.
skate or hard to skate?
Easy.
It's easy. You say it's easy to skate. Can you say that?
It is good.
Very
Teacher,
good. Huh. What?
we don't have a minute.
Yes, we only have 3 minutes left, honey, but it's okay. Honey, I told you right, Duke. Duke. Honey, listen. I told you, my dear, that you don't need to worry about the minute because we can continue the material.
The man is the ring.
Tôi đã
The
nói với
man
em
is
rồi,
the ring.
em yêu, em không cần phải lo lắng về phút giây này vì chúng ta có thể tiếp tục bài học vào lần sau.
Okay? I told you already, my dear. Again.
The
Tôi đã
man
nói
is
với
the
em
ring.
rồi với em yêu,
Yeah, you
em
don't
không
need to
cần
worry.
phải lo lắng về phút giây
Yes.
này vì chúng
The
ta
man
có thể
is the
tiếp tục
ring.
bài học vào lần sau.
Very good. The man is drinking.
The man is drinking.
Very. What do you like to drink? What do you like to drink? Vivian and Duke. Okay, let's have. Who wants to answer first? Who wants to answer first? Okay, Duke, what do you want to drink, Duke?
Drink Coke.
Oh, how about Vivian? Vivian, what do you want to drink?
I want strawberry juice.
Oh, you say, I want to drink strawberry juice. I want
Watermelon juice.
wow, me, I want to drink mango juice. Mango juice.
Teacher, it's 1 minute.
Yes, we only have 2 minutes. No, 2 minutes. Okay, again, let's say drink for 3 times. Drink.
Drink.
Very good. Okay, now let's move forward to the next one. What is this? What is the woman doing?
The girl is the hamburger.
Is eating.
Eating the hamburger.
Very good. The girl is eating the hamburger. What is that, Vivian? Okay. What's your favorite food to eat? What is your favorite food to eat?
One sandwich.
Oh, you say, I want to eat sandwich. You say,
I want to eat sandwich.
How about Duke? What do you want to eat, Duke?
I want to eat chocolate cake.
Chocolate
Cake.
cake? Chocolate cake? You say, chocolate.
Cake.
Okay, anyway, guys, we only have seconds left. So teacher is now.
Teacher Sarah.
Bye-bye. I love you. Bye.
Bye-bye.